Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to stop sharing your photos between devices in iPhone. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you might be noticed that whenever you try to take a picture in your iPhone, those picture is going to be appear your other Apple devices like MacBook or iPad, and you want to turn off them. In order to fix that issue, you need to go in your iPhone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll down, and then you need to open your Photos apps. After open the Photos apps, we'll see here is the option something say iCloud. Automatically upload and safely store all your photos and videos in iCloud, so you can browse, search and share from any of your devices. That means if I had turned on this iCloud photos, so whenever I'm going to taking a picture, it's automatically going to be appear in the iCloud, and the same iCloud account if I have signed in my iMac or iPad or other devices, all those pictures is going to be appear everywhere. So if for that, if you want to turn off, obviously you need to turn off this iCloud photos. So within this simple way, you can easily stop sharing your photos between devices in iPhone. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.